Hello everyone, welcome to our new video. In today's video we break down the top 5 best dishwasher detergents that are available on the market. I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link in the description section below. And make sure you subscribe to more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5. Cascade Platinum Dishwasher Detergent. This fresh-scented detergent is one of the best from the Cascade brand. It comes with a powerful formulation for dealing with food remains, stains, greases, germs, bacteria and more. The fast-acting formulation doesn't need pre-washing and easily acts on stuck food remnants. Despite it being fast and effective, it's one of the safest detergents on the market. It doesn't contain any phosphate and can be used on any kind of dishes or utensils. The excellent packaging will provide many washing cycles while the lovely scent makes the dishes smell fantastic. At number 4. Finish Quantum Max Powerball Dishwasher Detergent Tablets. Coming in the form of tablets, this dishwasher detergent will make washing dishes much easier. The product works on any dishes and acts very fast. You also don't have to first soak them before cleaning or pre-rinse. Although mild, the detergent is very effective and fast-acting. You also are assured of super clean plates, saucers and other utensils courtesy of the proven performance. Other than eliminating the grease, food, dirt, and bacteria, the product also provides additional protection to the dishes. The shinier surfaces make it harder for food to adhere to the surface and this makes cleaning easier. At number 3. Cascade Complete ActionPacs Dishwasher Detergent. This is one of the best dishwashing detergent. It is from Cascade, which features a powerful formulation for cutting through grease, washing off stuck-on food, and also protecting the dishes. The fast-acting mechanism doesn't require pre-washing but will deliver good results. Other than being effective, it's also very safe for the utensils, user, as well as the environment. It doesn't contain any harmful compounds such as phosphate and comes with a mild fresh scent. The 78 count provides many washing cycles before a new pack is needed. At number 2. 7th Generation Dishwasher Detergent Gel Soap. Coming in a pack of 6, this dishwasher detergent gel soap will clean any dishes easily. It is one of the safest products on the market. The plant-based gel doesn't contain harmful compounds that may affect your health. Instead, it's based on safe and proven ingredients that are as effective as petroleum-derived compounds. It also doesn't contain any scents or fragrances and you are assured of clean and safe dishes. It's also environmentally friendly and comes in a clear solution, and only a small amount is required for cleaning the dishes. And finally at number 1. Cascade Complete Gel Dishwasher Detergent. The Cascade brand has for many years dominated the dishwashing detergent market. This fresh scent variety is a popular choice and comes in a decent capacity to provide many washing cycles. Like other best dishwasher detergents, it easily cleans the dishes, eliminates any grease, and doesn't need pre-washing. In addition to cleaning, it leaves your dishes smelling better and looking shiny and hygienic. Powerful formulation easily eliminates stuck food. Gel formula for fighting grease and oil. Pure rinse formula for easy rinsing. Thank you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like, comment and subscribe to my channel for more videos. If you have any questions related to these products you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.